Welcome back to another video. This is Vox Tales. Today, we're embarking on a new challenge. Can we make $500 with AI in just 30 days? No fake gurus. No rented Lamborghinis. No get-rich-quick promises. Just real tools. Real time. Real results. And by the end of this experiment, we'll see if AI truly delivers on its income potential. The internet is buzzing with claims of making money with AI. But how much is realistic for a beginner in 30 days? I set a goal, $500, and I'm going to show you every step, every tool, and every dollar earned. Because most AI money videos you see online, they're not showing the full story. Today, I will. Let's be honest. Everywhere you look, people are saying, AI will make you rich. Earn $1,000 per day using ChatGPT. Passive income with one click. But here's the problem. Most of those videos don't show proof, don't show timeline, don't show failure. So I decided to test it myself. 30 days. Beginner level. No paid ads. And I tracked everything. Rules. Only free or beginner-friendly AI tools. 1 to 2 hours per day dedicated to the hustle. No existing audience required. Show dashboards and earnings proof. Focus on one primary AI side hustle. Strategy. Selling services and solving real business problems with AI has the highest potential for quick, tangible income. So, for this 30-day challenge, I'm focusing primarily on AI freelance writing and AI thumbnail design. Let's begin. Week 1. Setting up and first gigs, AI freelance writing. Tools used. ChatGPT for drafting outlines, Upwork or Fiverr to find clients, Grammarly for polishing. I created a compelling profile on Upwork and Fiverr, highlighting my ability to deliver high-quality, SEO-optimized blog content. System. Receive client brief. Use ChatGPT to generate an outline and key talking points. Draft initial content using ChatGPT. Crucial. Human edit, fact-check, and infuse unique voice. Grammarly for final polish. Deliver to client. Result after 7 days. Total earned, $75. Progress towards $500 goal, $75. Why it worked. High demand for content. AI speeds up drafting. Problem. Still competitive. Requires strong editing skills to ensure quality and avoid AI detection. Week 2. Diversifying with AI thumbnail design. Tools used. Midjourney to generate backgrounds. Canva to combine with text. Fiverr to offer services. I created a new gig on Fiverr specifically for YouTube thumbnail design, showcasing a portfolio of unique visuals. System. Receive client request. Use Midjourney with specific prompts to generate background options. Import best Midjourney image into Canva. Add text, arrows, and other design elements, ensuring readability. Deliver 1280 by 720 JPG. Result after 7 days. 4 thumbnail orders. Total earned, $80. Progress towards $500 goal, $155. Why it worked. YouTubers constantly need high-quality thumbnails. Low startup cost, high visual impact. Problem. Requires a good eye for design and understanding clickability. Week 3. Scaling and automation, AI freelance writing and thumbnails. Tools used. ChatGPT, Upwork or Fiverr, Zapier for basic automation. Focused on optimizing workflow. Sent more proposals and promoted Fiverr gigs. Experimented with Zapier. System. Streamlined prompt engineering for ChatGPT. Created Canva templates for faster thumbnail creation. Used Zapier to connect notifications to a client tracking spreadsheet. Result after 7 days. Total earned, $200. Progress towards $500 goal, $355. Why it worked. Consistency and efficiency. Automating small tasks. Problem. Still actively trading time for money. Scaling requires more advanced automation or hiring. Week 4. Final push and results. Intensified efforts on both platforms. Focused on repeat clients and asking for reviews to boost my profile visibility. Result after 7 days. Total earned this week, $210. Final results after 30 days. Freelance writing, $385. Thumbnail design, $180. Total, $565 in 30 days. Did I hit the $500 goal? Yes. Not life-changing, but real, tangible income generated with AI assistance in just 30 days. Clear takeaway: what works and what doesn't. What works? Selling services, solving business problems, combining AI plus human skill. Consistency. What doesn't work? Fast, pure passive income dreams. Zero skill automation. Ignoring quality control. AI is a tool, not magic. It amplifies your effort, but it doesn't replace it. Beginner step-by-step plan. If you're starting today to make $500 with AI in 30 days, 1. Learn ChatGPT prompts. 2. Pick O&E service-based model. 3. Create a strong portfolio. 4. Actively seek clients. 5. Deliver quality and ask for reviews. Call to action. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Vox Tales for more real experiments and actionable insights. Let me know in the comments which AI side hustle you're going to try first. This is Vox Tales. Real experiments, real numbers, no fake gurus. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.